What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day here at Whitley Auto Works. Today I've got a fun one for you guys. I had a subscriber send me out a package not too long ago, and I think you guys are going to like it. He sent me some of his paint. The brand is called DIPLIYFE. His name is Tony. He has a YouTube channel too. I'll include it down in the description and everything else. And yeah, he sent me out some really cool stuff with a note, so I'm going to unbox it for you guys right now. We're going to do some spray outs with it today and just kind of have some fun. Alright guys, so what I was sent out today is from a YouTuber called Tony Got Paint. This is his DIPLIYFE, and that's D-I-P, DIP, L-I-Y-F-E, Life, custom paint. He sent me out some gold custom pearl base coat mixed 1-to-1 with urethane reducer. He sent me out a really cool like teal blue color, another custom pearl base coat, 2-to-1. This is one of his older ones, I think. And then a custom pearl base coat, DIPLIYFE. This one's kind of up in the air. I don't see a color on it, but I guess we'll find out shortly. And he sent me a pearl sample. I don't know, I guess this is just an extra one, but I got a note here, so let me read it. And yeah, let's see what we got. It says, "Hey John," and this is 12/23/25. So I am a few months behind, Tony. I am very, very sorry. You know, my dad had a stroke and all that type of stuff. We've been getting a lot of stuff done in the house, and I'm just behind, man. So I apologize for getting to this a little bit after the fact, but okay. He says, "John, thanks for all you do on your channel. Your videos give me the creative boost that I need when I am in my shop creating different colors for my custom paint business. DIPLIYFE Custom Paints LLC." So shout out to Tony and his custom business. I remember when I asked on one of your videos a while back if you'd make a few of the vinyl decals for me, and you did it with no questions asked. That goes a long way with me. You're a good person, and I wanted to return the favor. Let's see some of those amazing candies sprayed over the gold and silver. So gold and silver base coat. So I guess this one's silver, guys. Both are 1-to-1 mix ratios. They can be sprayed over black or white, silver primer. The blue pearl paint was created at the very beginning of the start of my company. The mix ratio for it is 2-to-1. It's an amazing color, but I've since moved on to a 1-to-1 product. P.S. Happy holidays and enjoy the package. And Tony, be as creative as you can with the paints and use them as you see fit. The chameleon pigment looks amazing as well. So I don't know, I'm guessing this is some chameleon pigment he sent too. So we're going to do a little bit of different things today, guys. What I've got, let me show you real quick, is I've got speed shapes. So I've actually accumulated these. I got some aluminum ones and I've got some plastic ones. So I think this will be great for trying out multiple different spray outs with these, since we've got gold, silver, and a teal blue. So I can do a bunch of small scale spray outs for you guys, and then we can take it out in the sun and see what we got. So yeah, I said just mix 1-to-1 with urethane reducer. So that's easy enough. So let me get some primer on these things and get everything set up. And then we'll start shooting, and we'll take them out in the sun and see what we got. Add this bad boy to my collection. Thanks for the stickers, Tony. Now, there's no way possible I could shoot that stuff right there on that many different fenders and stuff like that. So speed shapes are going to be where it's at. Tony, I did it in gray primer. I hope that's okay. I didn't have any black or white right now. So all right, well, now we're going to mix up some of these, and I'm just kind of jump around, guys. This color sample thing is going to be completely random today, so if I don't get the combination you want, I'm very, very sorry, but, you know, I only got so many speed shapes, so, all right, well, start laying some color. All right, guys, so I've gone over everything with automotive primer. I've had this high heat primer. It should work fine. It's just a generic gray primer. So what I've got is full base urethane reducer, and I'm going to mix up some silver first, and then we'll go lay it down on a couple speed shapes. Then I'll mix up some gold and some turquoise. So, all right, like it says on the cans right here, mixed 1-to-1 on this one. So that's the silver. This one's 2-to-1. This is the older product he has. This is that really cool blue color. and then 1-to-1 on this product, and it even includes the flash times and how many times between clear coat. And there's his email. If you're interested in any of this stuff, you can get in touch with him directly. So all right, well, I guess there's nothing to do now but throw you guys on time lapse, spray some speed shapes, and let's create some cool paint colors. very colorful episode today. We started out with our friend and subscriber Tony's Dip Life base coats, pearlescent base coats, silver, gold, and blue. And then we spiced them up with some lime candy concentrates, red, blue, and yellow, and created all kinds of crazy different colors, guys, man. Wow. Some of these are really trippy, especially out in the sun. There's a little something here for everybody, guys, and that's kind of the whole fun with the lime candy concentrates. I've been rolling down this whole series, shooting ghost pearls in them, adding pearls into the candies, just shooting them over various different colors. Anything you guys wanted to see, I tried to recreate it. And you know, you can always add more coats to any of these to get more saturation. If you wanted to make them darker, you could add a black candy concentrate from lime and make them darker. Or if you wanted to get root beer, I know a lot of you guys are going to be asking, where's root beer? Root beer is achieved by adding equal parts of red, blue, and yellow together and then shooting it over top of whatever pearlescent base coat you want to use. I'm going to do more root beer in the future. I just didn't have the room today, guys, with all these spray outs to really go that much further. I mean, we would have been here forever, but really cool base coats. Tony, thanks for sending out these Dip Life base coats. I'll have all of his information down in the description. That way, if you guys want to pick up any of his products, you can. If you're interested in the lime candy concentrates, that'll be in my Amazon store, guys. Click the link below that says Ask It on YouTube. That'll take you to my Amazon store where you can purchase everything I use on the channel for the same price I get it. Won't cost you anything extra. You have all the benefits, Amazon Prime, and everything else they have to offer. I'll have my paint gun, I'll have these, I'll have my mask, I'll have everything I use in the links in my Amazon store, guys. So very cool episode today. If you made it this far and you like these crazy spray outs, you like seeing what you can do on a budget, obviously I did this and finished one clear. If you wanted to, you could do it in a mid coat. It'd be a little bit easier. It would cost a little bit more money. There's just so many ways you can get it done, guys. But if you decide to do it this way in the clear coat, take your time between coats, let everything set up really good, and don't oversaturate your panel or you will pretty much ruin your paint job. So if you need any other tips and tricks, go back and watch some of my other videos. And if you have any questions, leave it in the comments. I help any way I can. If you made it this far in the video and you like this crazy color combination I got going on here today, you like these spray outs and everything I do on the channel, the product reviews, the paint jobs, then take a second, if you hadn't already, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell notification beside it. That way you get notified every time a new episode drops and you don't miss one. And you know, just leave me a quick like and comment, guys. Let me know what your favorite color was today. What would you combine? What would you like to see moving forward with any of these crazy color combinations? I always appreciate your feedback, and I try to answer every comment, and it helps me out tremendously with the algorithm, guys. So please like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'm John from Whitley Auto Works. I hope you guys have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you guys on the next episode.